Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English Education. So for today, here are the 25 common English phrases you will use over and over. So these phrases, you are going to repeat them every day. Number 1, where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you do? I really appreciate this. I really appreciate this. I really appreciate this. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? How does this sound? How does this sound? This sounds great. This sounds great. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? How do you spell this word? How do you spell this word? What do you mean? What do you mean? Can you help me? Can you help me? Where can I find where can I find the name of the item? How much does this or that cost? How much does this or that cost? Can someone help me carry this out? Can someone help me carry this out? What time is our meeting? What time is our meeting? I'm looking for. I am looking for. How can I help you? How can I help you? I will be with you in a moment. I will be with you in a moment. I will be with you in a moment. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I don't speak English very well. I don't speak English very well. I have a headache. I have a headache. Headache. I have a headache. I'll call you when I leave. I'll call you when I leave. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I need to go home. I need to go home. I think it tastes good. I think it tastes good. So please show me some support by following me and like my video. You can write down in the comment what topics do you want me to do in my next video. Have a nice day.